Now, the Kolkata airport is ready for a fresh takeoff as airlines aircraft engines in anticipation of resuming flights. The Netaji Subhash Airport gave finishing touches to new travel protocols in the COVID-19 era. Special scanning machines and sanitizers will be the new normal at Kolkata Airport. Kiosks have also been set up for contactless experience at this airport. The tickets and the ID will also be checked at main entrance and printouts will no longer be compulsory. My colleague Manoj Aloiwal gets us more in a first exclusive experience of what it is like to be at the airport there.
I'm here at Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Terminal, a terminal that has a traffic of around 75,000 passengers per day. How will they handle it? Well, there will be a dip in the passengers, but the challenges are galore. Here, the first step that would be followed is the spraying of disinfectant on the luggage that every person enters with. Next would be use of sanitizers on your hands as you enter this. But that's not all. There will be a further checks also at the entrance. Any entrance will have a distance maintaining as well as the temperature check of any person who enters at the airport. Tickets and ID cards that you will have to keep handy. And how do you do that? Without even getting in touch with the CISF, this is the next process that will be followed. That means there will be a machine that will be used as a scanner here. The scanning machine will take your ID cards, and with that, as I show my ID card and I also remove the mask to ensure and confirm to the CISF officials that this is the same passenger who has the ticket and the ID card who will be entering the airport. As soon as you walk up to the kiosk, there will be no manual contact at all. That means that every person who walks into the airport, someone from the airlines will be deployed at the counter with these marks being made on the entire stretch. That means that any person who comes, he has to stand in a queue at this distance and then walk up to these counters, not touching them, showing your mobile phone or your ticket with your ID card, and then collecting the ticket. Post this, that's not all. The collection of the boarding pass will then ensure that you move up to the next counter. These counters are the ones which will have, again, maintenance of social distancing here. As soon as you walk up to the counter, there will be a screen like this that would have been made by then with only one of the two counters operating to ensure that the social distancing norm is not flouted. As you show the ID card, you show your ticket, you collect, you just drop in your luggage. Now, here's an interesting point. What happens to the luggage tag? The baggages will be tagged by the passengers themselves. That is the process that will be followed to ensure that there is least possible surface interference or surface and touch of any kind that is reduced to the maximum possible level for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.